Are you ready to transform your well-being? Wellness routines can rejuvenate the mind and body. With the proper practices, you can feel more balanced and energized. Today, we'll explore 4 excellent wellness routines. They are yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, and self-care. Each offers unique benefits for beginners eager to improve their daily lives. Let's start with yoga. Yoga combines breath control, meditation, and postures. It helps strengthen your body and calm your mind. You can practice yoga at any skill level. Just a few minutes each day can make a difference. Next, we move to Pilates. Pilates focuses on core strength and body alignment. This practice helps improve flexibility and posture. Even beginners can easily find Pilates exercises online. Consistency is key to seeing progress. Now we'll discuss Tai Chi. Tai Chi is often referred to as meditation in motion. This gentle martial art promotes relaxation and balance. It's ideal for beginners seeking a low-impact routine. Practicing Tai Chi can enhance your energy levels and reduce stress. Finally, let's touch on self-care. Self-care is essential for maintaining mental health. It includes activities such as taking a warm bath, journaling, or going for a walk. Prioritizing self-care creates space for peace in your busy life. To put it all together, consider creating a weekly routine. Start each day with yoga to set a positive tone. Incorporate Pilates 3 times a week for strength. Try Tai Chi on days you need calming energy. Finally, dedicate time each week to self-care. This simple routine can help improve your mood, strength, and stress levels. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Explore the activities that resonate with you the most. Embrace these wellness routines and you'll unlock your potential. Prioritizing your health is an excellent investment. Are you ready to start your wellness journey? Subscribe for more tips and let us know which routine you'll try first.